Here's Christy Moore with Palestine.
Thank you. Let me tell you a story. I'll be quick as I can. There's terrible news from the Holy Land. Pictures of children etched in my mind, buried in the rubble on the firing line. The Jews and the Arabs lived one and the same for 1,000 years, till the Zionists came. They came like a river, came like a flood. Al-Nakba were written on the walls in blood. They talk about settlers from far away. They talk about dollars from the USA. There's talk about blast bombs, about the bullets and the lead. The shadow with the jackboot hanging over their head. What can you do when they demolish your home? Your olive trees, all buried and gone. Do you dare to resist? Stand on the road with a rock in your fist in Palestine. In Palestine, they talk about peace like it's a moral obligation. You'll never have peace under occupation. They talk about talks to the beat of the drum. 70 years, nothing gets done. We need to talk about the friends that we endorse. About the rockets and the tanks and the warships they disperse. No wonder it seems to be an undemocratic version of democracy in Palestine. In Palestine. Let me tell you a story. I'll be quick as I can. There's terrible news from the Holy Land.